Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, and today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado, that generation from year 2014 to year 2019. If you need to find where the fuse for the driver master window switch is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs, so please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So where you can guys expect to find the fuse for the driver master window switch? We will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Silverado here. Now guys, if you have one of those, you have many hidden fuse boxes that 9 out of 10 people do not know they exist. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Silverado. Now guys, what do we need to check? First, open the driver door. Here on the side of the dash, you see that cover here. Go ahead and pull it. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now guys, quick thing, if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. Here guys, okay, for the driver master window switch, one fuse will need to be checked. That's 2014 through 2016 model guys that we're going to demonstrate on. And here guys, okay, the fuse that we need to check is known as fuse number 8. So where is fuse number 8? Okay, it's that fuse right here. And if you guys have, now please make sure you stay until the end. We want to give you one good advice, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. If you have 2017 through 2019, again, you will need to check fuse number 8 as well guys, that fuse right here. Now guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind guys, that way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.